Show me that again.
Squirrel.
Yeah.
Squirrel.
The puzzle pieces are shaped like animals.
Some of them. Birdie.
Some of them, not all of them.
Not all of them. Birdie.
That's so cool. Birdie.
Here's a deer.
Maltese falcon.
Here's a deer.
Oh my gosh.
There's snake.
Laying down.
Snake.
Snake. Why'd it have to be snakes? Wow. And this is Unidragon?
Yeah, groundhog.
No wonder these things are so expensive. They're so detailed.
Raccoon.
Groundhog.
Raccoon.
We see these in our yard all the time.
Oh, here's a little birdie. Little birdie. It's fun.
That's a fern.
There's a bat.
I'm Batman.
Leaf.
Leave me alone. I'm Batman.
Mushroom.
Toadstool.
They're fun.
You have a toad? We can put him on the stool.
Acorn. No acorn.
Aw, give it to the squirrel.
There is a dragon somewhere in here.
It's the Unidragon. There's only one dragon
There's
though.
only one
It's a
dragon.
Unidragon.
Yep.
Cool, babe. That is so cool. I'll have to do a video.